Hello and welcome to another vlog. Today I have come to Scotney Castle in Kent. It's like a 14th century fairy tale moated castle. It looks really pretty and we're going to have a little look around. We're just going into the entrance now. It is a National Trust place, so if you are a member, it is all free. And yeah. And here is the information on opening times and ticket prices. Wow, that looks so pretty. It's a really nice, sunny, warm day. Right, there it is. That is the castle, and that is where we are heading down to first. So it is dog friendly here. They are allowed around the main garden, shop, estate and the tea rooms on a short lead. Only assistant dogs are allowed in the house and the old castle and the walled garden, but everywhere else around here they are allowed. So I'm just making my way down the hill now and it looks lovely. So the earliest parts of this castle was built in the 1300s and it really does look like something out of a fairy tale. And there it is, the original castle. Now, the closer we're getting, the prettier it looks. So there is an exhibition going on in the house at the moment, and it is The Islandness by Rebecca Douglas. So just to show you the information leaflet quickly, there's a tea room here and there's a little gift shop, also a second-hand bookshop which we will definitely go and have a look in. There's some activities and little fun areas for the children. There's also a big map in here of the place, with different walks, picnic areas where dogs are allowed, toilets. Also a little section in here on the family history. And there is a little boathouse just in there, which looks really cute. Wow, This whole place is just so pretty. So I'm just walking along the river around the castle, which is so pretty, it's so peaceful, and it's just such a lovely, pleasant walk. So the castle around the moat we have done. So now I've come up to the house and we'll have a look in the tea rooms and the walled garden. So that is it. That is the Scotney mansion, which was really nice inside, lots of rooms. Right, we are in the walled garden now, which looks lovely. So we're going to have a little look around. So that is Scotney Castle. It's lovely here. Definitely come and visit here. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.